Good afternoon and welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet's social media channels. This will be going out on YouTube and Instagram here in the next day or so. We have a 2022 front-wheel drive LT Equinox with the confidence and convenience package, safety package. It also has the 22-inch rims, or sorry, not 22, 18-inch rims, the silver aluminum ones. This one's fresh off the truck from the factory, so I apologize. It does need a bath. Getting a good look on the inside here. Cup holders there. You got your charging stations there. 69.2 square feet of storage all the way in the back there. MSRP on this one's a little over $32,000. I believe it's $32,235. You got your heated seats. Of course, you got push button start. You have remote start. This one's got all the safety features you can want. HD surround vision. It's going to have adaptive cruise control, which I'm glad they're finally starting to get on the Equinox. Wish I had the blacked out bow tie and rims, but not a perfect world. And as you guys know, that is my preference. Get over here to the window sticker real quick. Of course, it's going to have rear traffic alerts. It's going to have backup camera, obviously, and it's going to have lane change alerts. What I love about this one, you'll notice there, you do not have to wait for any retrofitting. This has all of these items active and functional right now. I'll have a link below with more information, and thank you for your time today.